Alright folks, applying a ceramic coating. That stuff. So I've already prepped the surface and wiped it down with carpet razor after I polished it. So it's all good to go. I've already done the back part with the ceramic coating. So I'm actually going to do this door. And because it's such a long door, I'm going to cut it in half. So I'm just going to take a lint-free microfiber and just wipe it down a little bit just to make sure there's no little fibers or lint or anything on the surface. Looks good. And now we'll grab our Car Pro ceramic coating. This is really the most affordable, best product that I can find anyways. I like it. Put a little bit on there, foam applicator. And then easy. So you want to do cross first, going down. It glides nice. That's how you know you have enough product. If it starts to drag, then you need to add more product. Then go back up. Like so. Make sure you get everywhere. Perfect. Get in there a little bit. Door handle. Now you're going to let it sit until it hazes a little bit. It flashes. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see. So you see how cloudy it is right now? I'll bring it back when it starts to haze and flash. A little bit over there starting to. It only takes a few minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can see it start to level itself. It gets a little hazy, flashes. That's when you know when to take it off. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and wipe that off. Again, with a lint-free microfiber. You can use the suede applicator and the lint-free towel that's provided in the kit, but you don't need to. I like to do the first wipe, just a nice light full wipe, just to kind of level it too. And this will get most of the product off. You don't need to press hard, remember that. If you're pressing hard, it might cause more scratching. I'll come again, flip the towel, other side. Again, nice and light. And yeah, you'll keep going until there's no more product. It's pretty good, but I like to do after, see a little light, just to make sure there is no more product. A little bit there. Because you don't want this to harden, not leveled, or you'll see it and it is, you have to repolish it to get it off. And then you're just starting from scratch. So take your time here and make sure all the rock's fully off and leveled. And this is your base too, right? I like to do 2 coats. So you want to make sure the base coat of ceramic is perfect. And yeah, you don't need to press hard. I made that mistake on my Tacoma. Thought you had to, similar to like a wax, and you had to press hard and kind of buff it off, but you don't have to do that with ceramic. And yeah, in doing that, I scratched my Tacoma a little bit. But yeah, that looks good. Now we'll move on to the other part of the door.